Welcome back, guys. So this is our second live video. This will be also a raw video where I will do mistakes and I will try to resolve the issues whichever mistakes I will do. So this can be a long video because I will try to do a real time work here. So it will look like I am doing some silly mistakes and I am resolving the issues as a layman or the a guy who is doing it for first time. So this is how the approach whatever I will take now uh, can be followed in your project when you will start from scratch. So it's not like an expert do their things in different way. It's the same way they do the things, just the thing is that they got experience from their mistakes, that they know where the issue is coming or how the issue will come and how to resolve it. So day by day when you will improve, you will get to know more about these issues. So now I will start from where I left in my last video, the live session one. So what I did is I created all the modules, scanned all of them. If you will see, add to cart, click on shopping cart. Till here we have done and finish checkout we did. Now what I did is I scanned billing address, shipping address, shipping address details, checkout, payment method, checkout condition, confirm and success. So if you will see demo web shop Tricentis, so you can see what I have done there. So last time we reached till shopping cart, add the blue jeans, reach to shopping cart, and then check the blue jeans, agree and check out. We did till here. Now we have scanned billing address, then shipping address, then payment method, and then confirmation of the order. All these things we have done. Okay, so we when we will do it, we will come to this page and we will assume this is our last page, and we have to perform end-to-end testing using TOSCA from launching the URL to coming till this page will be our the whole task in this particular session. So if you will come to test case, so we have already shown everything till checkout. So if you will come to billing address, you can see we have to jump to module, and we will rescan it. You can see again these are the things which are unmapped and we need to map them, and if you will minimize it you will find nothing is there, and if you will check here title and everything we are using. So we will make it true, and we will try to check if we are able to use identify by index. No, but we have removed everything from here, technical, and the item is unique, so we can just come and check the billing address. So if you will see, we are not on the right page here. Okay, this is a mistake we always do. We are not on the right page. This is why this is showing as unmapped. So we will cancel this, cross this. Okay, we will go to apparel shoes, add one, go to shopping cart, check out. Now we are on billing address. Okay, so if you will see, no unmapped option is coming, and we have everything here with us. Select, so this is also here, and click on continue. This is also okay. So after that we will go to continue, and here we will try to add new address. Okay, so if we will add new address, we have these things: first name, last name, email, company, country. So there are higher chances that all the names, all the controls are not unique, and we need to make them unique. So if we will go to our test case, so this is shipping address details. Okay, so this is shipping address details, and this is shipping address. This shipping address is nothing but selecting this particular scan new address. Okay, I will show you how. This is our shipping address, and I will jump to module. This is our shipping address, and I will rescan it. So shipping address from your address book. Firstly, we will check. So this is our shipping address. Okay, and we will try to highlight it. So this is new. Select address from your book or enter a new address. So this is coming unmapped. We will move it here. So I will select on screen. Okay, so this is coming now. I will come to this part and make it done. So if you will see, class name is, previous class name was address select valid. Now it address select. So that means class name is changing. So we need to update this and remove the checkbox and make anything other, so that it will be unique. So we will remove this and check for index. This is fine. We will save this. Now we will highlight it. So it is coming fine. So if you will see, this is highlighted, that means we have selected a correct thing. The correct control is selected. Okay, so we will close this. Now first name, last name, all these things are here. We will go to here and jump to module. You can see how I am doing all these things, that how to find my module related to that particular test case, and what are things if you will miss, you will get an error. All the small issues can be covered in this, are getting covered in this particular session and the previous live session. Okay, so we have all these things and we have made all the things unique. If I will check address, that is also unique. I have made it visible. It is ID, so it need to be removed. And I will check class name, it is not unique, and tag is also not unique. So I will check the index, so it is correct. Address to identify by properties. It's again ID, so we have to remove it, and we will go to index and make it safe. So we'll go to fax number and we'll make it unique as well. Select on screen. Okay, so this is tag ID, make it visible. Go to identify by index and save it. Okay, uh, now address 2 is also done. Phone number is star mark, so we need to check for this also. So this is also done. So still this is not required because we have done it in previous step. So if this will remain unmapped, so that is not an issue, because we will not give any action mode to this particular unmapped control, because it is already been covered in previous step. So everything is fine, everything is now done. Continue. I have not checked. So this is also a class name, and nothing is there. And if I will check the anchor, sorry, index, so index is not visible for this. So I think we are good to go with continue as a class name, and we will see what is happening if the fetch number is coming as continue. Postal code, phone number, fetch number. So this is coming fine here, but it is checking a wrong fetch number. So we will check for, we will remove this. So we will once run it and see if something is coming as wrong. But before that, we will go on all the controls one by one to check how we have done our uh, you know manage the control for other first name last name email. We will go on this one first, and then we will check what is happening. So this is still not unique. So what we will do, we will go for type and text, check. Still it is not there, so we will remove it and we will go to identify by index and select it. Now it's unique, so we will save it and come to last name and check. So this is tag, this is ID, will remove it. Class name, so we have to go for again index and check it. Okay, similarly we have
to go for index for email. We'll click on visible here, remove the ID, class name, select this, and then come to company, cancel this, select visible, class name, remove ID, to identify by, and index 4, then to country. Remove ID, visible, then go to index. Okay, save them, and then come to continue, visible, class name, remove title, tag, make it save, then fax number, remove ID, select class name, well, so let it be like that because we are not going to use fax number as of now. We will select this one, remove ID, class name, go to city, select it as properties, equal to class name, then index, country is done, state is required to be done. Then we will go to visible and remove ID, go to index. That's it. We need only these. The other is we are not going to enter. We will enter only these which we have marked unique, and in future if we required these to be filled, we will make it unique as per our requirement. So we will finish this screen. We will finish this screen here. Okay, now we will suppose select this one and go to continue, and we will go to shipping method. So we are here. So we will select scan screen, select on screen, ground radio button, next day radio button, second day radio button. So these three are there. Ground tripping. Okay, and now we will change this also. So the thing which we are doing here, these are known as development work of the automation. So in this way only you will do in your project. So these kind of things you will be doing when you will start a project. Okay, so we have done this. We have to select continue also, so we will click here and go for continue. Remove it, remove the value, class name, that's it. Save it. Okay, and finish this screen. Okay, so we will click on continue, and now we have payment method. Scan in. Hope you are getting that how we are doing these things. We will select on screen, come here and select the first radio button, second radio button, third radio button, fourth radio button, and then continue. Remove the select on screen. Payment cash on delivery radio button. So first is payment cash on delivery, other is check money order radio button, and this one is credit card payments. Purchase order, and then continue. So we will check the uniqueness. Visible class A is not identified, so we will remove ID and go to identify by index. select this, save it, and then this one, remove this, check the properties first, remove id, identify by index. Okay, then credit card, remove this, visible true, remove the id, okay, and we will do this one also. Let's do it, though we are not going to use it as of now, but let's do it. It's last one only. Okay, and then continue. We'll go by properties, switchable, class name, this one, and remove this value, and it's unique. Now we'll save them. Okay, and then finish screen. We'll go to our application. For now we will cash on delivery slate and click on continue. So here we are right now. So we are paying using cash on delivery, so no other options are required. So we will just click on scan screen. Firstly we will drag it. So let's scan this message and we will see how we will use action mode verify. So we will scan this particular one. Okay, and then continue. Again the same thing. Okay, so it is unique. Let's make it unique. Well, remove it. Okay, so these are fine now. Close them. Sorry, finish screen. Okay, so we have done till here and click on continue. Now we are at confirm order page and we will confirm it here. Okay, scan it here. Let's scan the blue jeans item count and then to confirm. Okay, and then we'll click on confirm. So your order has successfully processed. Order number, click at order details. We will scan it again. Okay. And then continue. So till here we have done. Now when we are clicking on continue, we are getting a pop-up. So this is a new thing we have to deal with. So I'm not keeping this in our this particular lecture. So we are assuming this is end of the page and we will do till here only. Okay. So let's we have finished this. Now we will go for test steps. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we have given all the required name. We will go to test cases now. So we have done till finish checkout. So we will add steps up after that. Billing address. Okay. then shipping address, okay, then checkout method, okay. Before that, I think we missed address details, so we have to arrange it. Shipping address, and shipping checkout method in sequential way. So I think we have done it correct. Correct. Now payment method. Perfect. Now check out cash on delivery. Perfect. Now the confirmation. Okay. And this success. Okay, fine. So we have done these things. Now we will go to billing address. So what we have to do, we have to select the billing address. So we will select the drop down. So we have the options. So we will select the first one, and the action mode will be input, and then here click. You got my point. In drop down you will get the drop down options here, which I was discussing while scanning it. You don't have to bother about scanning it there. There are some features in drop down which do not cover the drop down options as well, which is a different thing. But generally when you are scanning a drop down, it will uh, cover all the drop down option in it all only. So you have to come here and select it in this way. Now we have to go to shipping address. So we have to click here to let it open. Now it's open, but this is wrong. Why? Because we have option to select new address here, so we are no need to go for new address in a different step. We are going to select new address here only, so we will select it. So now our address will come. So we will give our address detail name as, say, first name is HHRR something a@abc.com, company is XYZ, country is India, state is UP, city is, say, LKO, address is street, and address 2 is square road. Okay, and zip code is 12345 6. So action mode is by default selecting input because we are entering it, so we are not bothering about select or verify other things. And I'm now leaving phone number and other things like blank, and I will go for continue. Okay, so these are the things we have. We have not made address 1 and address 2 unique, so it will fail, I guess. So we will change it that time when it will get fail. Right now we will leave it like that. Now checkout method, we are going as ground, first one. Okay, and then click on perfect payment method, we are going cash on delivery. Checkout. So we have to, now we will verify that if you will pay by COD, this checkout option is this message is coming fine or not. So we will go for property. What we will do, we will say exit is equal to true, and here we will select verify, and then if it will verify that this is coming as true, then it will verify its success, and then it will move to next step, other it will fail. Then I will go to confirm. I have table, so if the table compare, we are not going to do it here, we are just going to click, that's it, and then order success message, exit is equal to true, and then click. Okay, so we are done with everything here, and we will simply log out, and we will start from here only. Or let's start from scratch. Cancel this. Why it got failed? No matching tab found in the login credential. So sometime server system lagging is also there, so we will do it again, remove it, and restart it. Yeah, it's working now. That was application issue, sometime that happens. So for that we can use timeout control, which we will discuss in future. So it's failed. We will check why. So if you will see, we got error, could not find combo box, select billing address from your address. So let's go, where is our scratchbook? So this is the error, this is, we will select, and jump to test step, and from billing address we will jump to module. Now we will rescan it to see if it is having any issue. Sorry. Okay, so if you will see, it is not mapped. Select a billing address, so we will click this and select on screen. Okay, now we will check why it got reboot. I think this class name is not helping us. We will remove both and go to identify by index. So if you will see, no index is available. So we will go to anchor and select on screen. Let me save it first. And then we will come to this place, visible, and then so this is the one deleted. Check it. Anything. Okay. So we will rescan it again. So I think I got the issue. We have selected this one. Okay, so when we are selecting this one, this is not going to help us open the drop down, so that is why the container is not visible after this. So let me show you. If you will check, I click here. So it is having an issue. No, that is not the case. Let me try to remap it. Okay, so it is this unique now. So class name is giving us issue, so we will save it and try now. So we are starting, we are continuing from where it got failed. It's working now, entering all the details. So we will see what happened here. Could not find combo box. Okay, so we will go to here and see what had happened. New address. Okay, its combo box is not coming because we have not selected it, I think. So we have to come here. we gave a wrong name. We have to do it in this way. It was a drop down and we selected manually, so that is why it was showing error. We will go from start. It will not take it because billing address is already done, so it will not start there because the page is not visible. It will get fail. So we have to select from shipping address only. Let me try to make it back, then we will see. It's getting failed. Now we will try it again. It will fail at address because it is not unique, I guess. Okay, it took it. So I think as we are overwriting it, it was not accepting. Let me try to refresh it. So it should be fine now. Let me try to run it. Okay, it is selecting, but it is a star mark, I guess, these two. That is why it is not accepting it. So it will get fail. So if you will see, we are able to enter these details here. So we will not try after. We'll try from here and see our result. Okay, so it got successful till that point where we have executed, and this is how we will complete it. And but the thing is, as we were not able to run it from first step to last step, we need one more session where we will do it. So as per the raw video, what you can understand is these kind of issues can come, and you will, when you once you will see the video, you will get to know that okay, this kind of approach you can follow in this particular thing. So if you will see, I was also trying to do something to resolve my steps to get fail. So you will get some idea from that, and you will start working on it. So in next lecture, what we will do, we will try to run from scratch and see what is happening. Okay, till then, thank you, goodbye.